Hello everyone, welcome to episode 1 of RRBG exam preparation strategy video. So I hope you watch our episode 0 to get idea about this guidance series and how it will help you to get selection in RRBG recruitment 2024. So now in the episode 1 already you saw that what we will discuss, right? So that thing we will discuss. Along with that, RRBJ separate playlist is created now. In the comment box you will get the playlist. Also if you want to watch this guidance series in Hindi language, then also separate playlist is there. Same video you will get in Hindi language, okay, for North student, so that you can get proper guidance. There should be no language restrictions. Let's start the video. Okay, so now first very important thing we will discuss, that is your mindset before going to your preparation, before going for your everything. Okay, you should have a proper mindset for the exam so that you can prepare with zero, I can say, distraction, right? So see, now you already know that since from last 2 year there are various rumors regarding RRBJ recruitment. Okay, lots of coaching institute made lots of videos on RRBJ recruitment. Notification will come in November, December, January, February. Okay, this thing repeatedly happened for almost 2 years. Now we can see the notification in July month. But before that, lots of coaching companies, okay, already made the video, already launched their courses, sell their courses, because obviously they want to sell their courses, okay, for that. So they didn't highlight you the main thing about RRBJ job, which I know. Why? Because in our MSP or in our IGP, lots of student was there. Those who already got selected in 2018 and 19 recruitment, still they target different PSU's exam and government job exam. Okay, now you may wonder why. Because already they are in government job, already they are in railways, Ministry of Railways, and you know in India that craze for railway job is very high, right? But still, why then they want to left that job and they want to come to PSU and other government job, right? So this reality no one tell you till the date, because obviously they will lose majority of candidate if they show the reality, okay? And lots of candidate our student they tell me the review of RIBG job. So I can say for our Apna Government Job student and for all MSP aspirant, for all Apna Government Job student, that there are now, suppose I can say 3 category of student. Okay, first is your age is already crossed the minimum 30 years. Okay, so if you are falling above age 30, then definitely for RBJ you should give your 100% and you should try to secure a job. Okay, this job, because you have limited options in other government job and other PSUs, right? If you cross age 30. Second, if you are already in some PSU job, in government job, in I can say private also, then you can just keep it as a backup. What? You can keep your RIBJ job as a backup and you can prepare for other recruitment also, because lots of recruitments are already going on. In future also, lots of recruitment will come, like initially I told you about okay, Airport Authority of India will come, then HAL, Hindustan Aeronautical Limited will come, ISRO is coming. So these are the few recruitments which are coming and lots of other PSU also will come, right? But the important thing is that if you are already working and if you are going to RIBJ, definitely you will leave that within a month. You will not like the work culture at all, because the work culture is like that only. Okay, because in railways lots of vacant positions are there. So workload is high on the employees, existing employees. Also it is for some I can say branches, it is a field job, so that's why lots of pressure is there and there is nothing about proper work life balance, I can say. And this feedback is given to me by our already selected RRBJ student. Okay, this is, I'm not telling you, obviously they can't make video or I can't make podcast with them regarding this, because their job security is in danger then, right? I guess on YouTube 1 or 2 people show also the reality of RIBJ quarters. You can watch that, just search RIBJ quarter on YouTube, because one student sent me that this is the exact, I can say, situation of RIBJ job. Okay, so main thing is that what I want to tell you, ki this coaching companies making hype of RIBJ job, but it is not the same case. Okay, if you don't have any option, if you are above 30 years, then you can try for it. Otherwise just go for PSU and government job. And this thing I will strictly tell my MSP student, don't join MSP. Okay, in MSP multiple recruitments we target, so keep RIBJ as a backup with you. Obviously you can talk with me also if you are in confusion. Okay, because these are the 3, I can say, general categories I am telling, because as per person to person it will vary also. Okay, and the third category, you want railway job anyhow, then you can just prepare for RRBJ, right? So I hope you got my motto that TK, prepare for RRBJ job to secure a job, but if you have other options, so then go for other option, because otherwise you will regret when you will join as a RRBJ. And mark my word, okay? And this thing no one will tell you. We will start our exam pattern for RRBJ. So I hope you must already saw the exam pattern and everything. Okay, you already started the preparation also. I am little bit late, sorry for that. In future I will try to be early as possible. So quickly I will tell you, and main thing what I told you in episode 0, that something I will give you during our episodes, right? During our guidance series. So what is CBT1 pattern? So already you know that for CBT1 we get 30 questions from mathematics, okay, quant, 25 from reasoning, 15 from general awareness, 30 general science also is there. And here you can see marks also, 1 mark for 1 question, okay. 0.25 is a 0.33 I guess is a negative marking. So 100 questions you will get for 90 minutes, okay, time is 90. Then after CBT1, in 1:15 ratio, they will call the candidate for CBT2, okay. After that we will come to CBT2, where you can see that again we have general awareness, 15 questions for 15 marks, right? So in CBT1 and CBT2 we have general awareness. So from today till your CBT2 exam you will prepare for general awareness. This is the first point. Then in CBT2 we have only physics and chemistry, 15 questions you will get for 15 marks, okay. Computer we have 10, basic knowledge of computer they will check. Environmental pollution 10 marks. And you are technical as per your branch. If you are from mechanical you will get mechanical questions. If you are from electrical, electronics, okay. And computer science people, you are in electronics only, so you have to study a common syllabus for electronics and computer science, right? So again here you are getting total 120 minutes for 150 questions, okay. Again the negative marking 0.333, it is same as CBT1 and CBT2, okay. In CBT2 you will get calculator also, because obviously in CBT1 we don't have calculator, otherwise everyone will use calculator to solve quant questions, that's why. In CBT2 there is no quant, that's why calculator is there. So in technical definitely it is clear that we need to prepare theoretically also and numerical also, okay. Important point to highlight, okay. And after CBT2, as you already know, already in notification video I told you that your final selection is depend on CBT2 marks only, okay. CBT1 is just for qualifying in nature, and they will call 1:1 ratio candidate, means for one seat they will call total 1 candidate for document verification and medical. If that candidate get failed, then they will call another candidate, and like that things will happen, okay. That is called waiting list, okay. So this is the whole process of RRBJ recruitment 2024. So what is the summary then? What is the important point to highlight, and you should note down that GA is common, okay. And I again repeat that from start to end we need to prepare for general awareness, okay. We need to strong, and at least we will try to secure about 12 marks out of 15 in both CBTs, CBT1, CBT2, correct. Now how to do that? It is possible, yes, everything is possible. Just follow this guidance series, definitely you will get selection, okay. It is most important. Then most important second point, physics and chemistry is common for CBT1 and CBT2. Means now you are preparing physics and chemistry, okay. What you can do, how to prepare, what are resources, everything I will discuss in further episodes. But for now we will prepare physics and chemistry, we will keep it aside, and then just we will practice the questions for CBT2, right. For CBT2 workload is little lower then, because already you are completing physics and chemistry, right. So in short, what I want to tell you that all sections are important. It is not like that sir I will keep biology in option, I will not study physics, I will not study current affairs, okay. You have to study, because RRBJ is highly competitive exam in India. Lots of competitions are there. I will also share the data of number of applications applied, okay. Just stay for further episodes, so that you will get proper clarity of your actual competition, okay. So main thing is that you should know this thing, that these 3 points you can note down, okay. And I will meet you in episode 2, where we will discuss every little bit more, or we will go little bit more in detail about September month planning, okay. If you have anything, any doubt, any comment, then you can ask me in the comment box. Definitely that comment, if that comment is useful for all other candidates, then I will take that in further episodes. All the best.